Hello friends, what's up? This is Pcmb tutorial and I welcome you all to our channel. This is a brief introductory video where I'll be covering a few aspects of our channel. Before I start, I would like to request you guys please to subscribe our channel for learning new things and click the thumbs up if you like it and share it among your friends so that we all get to learn something creative considering the present situation. So as you can see, it's written at the bottom of the slide, experience the fun of learning things. The same is the motto of our channel. Now moving on to the next slide, which is entitled the salient features of our tutorial program. We'll be learning the basics of the core subjects of science, physics, chemistry, maths and biology. A thing to note here, we'll discuss the topics mainly for the 9th and 10th standard students who are aspiring to take up science stream in the 11th standard. But there's no restriction, anybody who's interested can watch our videos to get a clear idea about the subject topics. Every topic will be divided into parts and will be covered with step-by-step guidance, which will gradually develop your interest in the topics. We'll also discuss problems and focus on the common concepts required to know the subjects better. In this journey of videos, the 4 subjects will be taught by 4 different instructors as you can see. So we'll be your PCMB friends. So keep supporting us and we'll be bringing a lot of videos on related topics and we will progress towards success. Thanks for watching the video.